So, how long the implant of a breast can survive? So, this is an important question. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anirban Ghosh. I'm an aesthetic plastic surgeon. I practice in the city of Kolkata. So, as we plastic surgeons, we do silicone implants on a regular basis for breast. The very common question every patient would ask, how long this implant is going to stay. To answer to this, I want to tell you something like generally what we see, it stays for at least 15-20 years. Yes, definitely for some it can stay beyond that. But there is something like many a times we replace implants. Like somebody wants to have a bigger size of implant, we replace it at any point of time. So this surgery was an explant surgery where what we did was we removed the implant. The implant had been there for 15 to 20 years. Now there had been capsular contracture and now we removed it. So in general, if I have to say how long an implant would stay, my answer would be at least 15 to 20 years. And if you want to know something more about silicone implant, do connect to us.